Hi everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we have the Apple Pencil. This is the first generation Apple Pencil that works with, right now actually it works with the iPad 8th generation, the educational version. So this is the original Apple Pencil. It's still relevant obviously because of the iPad 8th gen, and iPad mini still works with the latest generation iPad mini as well, but the rest of the iPad lineup are already updated to the Apple Pencil 2, and I already have an unboxing video for the Apple Pencil 2. So today we'll unbox this Apple Pencil 1, and the way that you actually charge this Apple Pencil is you either stick it to the back of the iPad at the lightning connector, or they give you actually a connection in the box to connect it to one of those cables with the lightning cable, and I'm gonna show you this right now. So let's unbox this very quickly here. So we'll open the plastic wrap, and what we're gonna do is we will slide it out. So it slides out like this. So again, it's a very nice box designed by Apple in California. And the first thing you're going to be presented with is the additional tip that they give you in the box, and that's the connection that you could actually use to charge the Apple Pencil using the lightning cable. So we'll put this on the side, and they give you as well some instructions that you could read, and then obviously you will get the Apple Pencil in the box. So we'll take it out from the plastic wrap. It's a very solid pencil, and you could actually change this tip when it wears out with the additional one that they give you on the box, and you will be able to charge it in the back here. So the back cover actually attaches magnetically, and this is where you're gonna charge it at the back of the iPad, similar to what they actually show you here. Or what you could do is you could use this connector, and as you can see here, the Apple Pencil goes in one side and the cable goes to the other side, and obviously the USB-A side goes into the charging brick, or you can connect it to your computer and it will charge. And this is obviously, they even show you how to change the tip as well. So they give you this tip and that charger connector in the Apple Pencil 1, and obviously Apple Pencil 2, as if you've seen my video for the unboxing of Apple Pencil 2, it charges magnetically, so it doesn't need this connector. And obviously they get rid of that. They don't give you this extra nib anymore. So this is basically what comes in the box. So you have the Apple Pencil, and you have the instructions with the additional connector and nib, and it's a very simple box packaging, I mean, and but it's well designed obviously, and that's pretty much what comes in the box. So I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, please comment below, and I will see you in the next one.